In this video, we will cover how to create an application configuration that is using serial control on the Ag Leader PF3000. First, press the menu button, press Setup, press App Rate Config, press Create New. With controller make highlighted, press Edit. Scroll through the options and select the correct controller make. For this video, we will use a Raven controller. Press Accept. Scroll down so that controller model is highlighted. Press Edit. Scroll through the options and select the correct model. For this video, we will use a 440. Press Accept. Refer to the quick reference guide found on the knowledge base for information on correctly setting up your Raven controller. Once the Raven controller has correctly been set up, scroll down so that Product is highlighted. Press Edit. At this point, we can either select a product from our list or press Create New and create a new product. Scroll down so that Units is highlighted. Press Edit. Select the correct unit. Press Accept. Next, set the correct ground speed sensor, the correct app distance from GPS, the correct TGT units, the correct target rate increment, and the correct actual rate increment. Once these have all been edited correctly, press Accept. We have now covered how to create an application configuration that is using serial control on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.